Government budget. Meaning of government budget. Government budget is a financial statement showing expected or estimated receipts and expenditure of the government for the upcoming फाइनेंशियल और फिस्कल ईयर. आने वाले साल में गवर्नमेंट को कितने पैसे मिलेंगे, कहाँ से मिलेंगे, कितने पैसे खर्च होंगे, कहाँ खर्च होंगे, उसका एक एस्टिमेटेड फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट है. What are the objectives of government budget? There are various objectives of government budget, namely reallocation of funds and resources, redistribution of income and wealth, economic stability, and management of the public enterprises, and many more. Whether preparation of the government budget is a compulsory exercise? The answer is yes. It is the constitutional duty of central government as well as state governments to prepare and present the government budget. What are the components of government budget? There are two components of the government budget, namely capital and revenue. Capital component consists of capital items and revenue component consists of revenue items. What are these capital items? All those items of the government budget that directly affects the long term assets or long term liabilities of the government are capital items, and all those items that does not affect the long term asset or liability of the government are revenue items or revenue component. Under the capital component we have capital receipts and capital expenditure. Similarly, under revenue component we have revenue receipts and revenue expenditure. Capital receipts are all those receipts of the government that reduces the long term asset of the government or increases the long term liability of the government. For example, earlier government of India has given loan to Sri Lankan government. Now it has recovered the amount. तो पैसे आए इंडियन गवर्नमेंट के पास, लेकिन इससे जो लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट था वो कम हो गया. सेकेंड, government sold its shares in a public sector company to the private sector, or simply speaking disinvestment of its assets. तो एसेट कम हो गए, पैसे आए एसेट बेच के. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल relating to increase in long term liability. Suppose government of India borrowed funds from government of Japan for 20 years. So पैसे आए अभी, लेकिन इससे लॉन्ग टर्म लायबिलिटी भी इंक्रीज हुई. सेकेंड, कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. Capital expenditures are all those expenditure that directly increases the long term assets of the government or decreases the long term liability of the government. Example, suppose government has made expenditure in power project or construction of highway or bridges or dam. All those expenditure create the long term asset of the government. Second example that leads to decrease in long term liability of the government. Suppose government of India has borrowed loan earlier, now it has repaid that loan. तो repay किया, led to the outflow of resources from the government and इसके कारण long term liability कम हो गई. Now revenue component. Revenue receipts are receipts of the government that neither decreases the long term asset of the government nor increases the long term liability of the government. For example, we pay taxes, fine, penalties every year, but इससे गवर्नमेंट के लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स या लॉन्ग टर्म लायबिलिटी पे कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं होता. सेकेंड, रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. Revenue expenditures are all those expenditures that neither increases the long term asset of the government nor decreases the long term liability of the government. For example, government pays salary to government employees. Whether that creates long term asset for the government? No. Whether it reduces the long term liability of government? No. So it will be revenue expenditure. If in the government budget the estimated receipts are greater than the estimated expenditure, we say there is a surplus in the government budget. If receipts and expenditure are equal, we say it is a balanced budget. And if the receipts are less and the estimated expenditure are more, then we say there is a deficit in the government budget. Generally, we see the deficit in the government budget. There are various different measures of understanding this deficit: revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, and primary deficit. If we consider only the revenue component of the budget, that means if we consider only the revenue items, that is revenue receipts and revenue expenditure, we get the revenue deficit. Revenue deficit can be written as revenue receipts minus revenue expenditure. And if receipts are less and expenditure are more, we say revenue deficit. And in case it is a positive, then we get revenue surplus. Fiscal deficit. What is this fiscal deficit? If we consider the total receipts but excluding borrowings, borrowings को हम include ना करें, total receipts excluding borrowings minus total expenditure will give us the fiscal deficit. What is primary deficit? Primary deficit is fiscal deficit minus interest payment on the borrowings. In this lecture, I have used the word long-term asset, long-term liability. You have to use only the word asset and liabilities. No need to mention long-term. Second, we have discussed the two components of the budget, namely capital and revenue. In some books, these two components are stated as receipts and expenditure. I suggest you write capital and revenue and then subdivide it into receipts and expenditure. Deficit is not always bad for an economy, and also you can visualize a budget as a estimated cash book. Please wait for the detailed discussion.